Have you ever wondered that why very few people are successful in life and why still some people live a life of failure? Why only few can achieve their dreams and why many of us are still struggling? To get answer to all these questions, you must listen to this video to understand that what can make a big difference in your life. Today I'm going to say you something about life and time management, about 80-20 rule. Hi, I'm Pranankil Das. I'm an international mind trainer and a speaker. Today I'm going to take you through this wonderful topic of 80-20 rule which can change your life. So stay tuned and watch the entire video till the end. And if you're new to my channel, this is PMA, which is going to motivate and make a positive difference in your life. And before we start our video, please subscribe if you have still not subscribed and click the bell button so that you can keep watching such interesting and new videos on motivation. So let's start. As I'm saying, my friend, that many people in life, we still keep struggling. We really don't know that what exactly is going to make a difference in our life. But we keep on trying hard. We always try to promise ourselves that every single day we're going to make a difference to ourselves. But we work harder and we give our best. But we still don't get what exactly we have really planned for ourselves. Why so? I met a lot of people during my training seminars. Many of them ask questions to me that I work harder to my best of my capacity, but still I don't get the best result. Why so? The only difference is the proper goal setting. And if you really want to really get an effective of your goal setting, then you must understand 80-20 rule of life. It is also known as Pareto principle. Yes, this 80-20 rule was first invented by the famous economist Wilford Pareto, who was basically considered as one of the famous economists of his times in Italy. In Italy, in his time, most of the people who were rich were basically the 20% of the population, and he has seen that most of the property and the money and the power influence was under this 20% of these people. And then he realized that the 20% of the society can control the rest of the 80%, and the same principle when later on introduced in different concepts, he found that most of the time his concept was right. So if you really understand today this Pareto principle in terms of a life, you will find that it is so effective. There are many things we always try to achieve in a life, but as per our human nature, we always get inclined to do those things which are more easier and less complicated. And that is why we always keep busy in doing the 80% things of our life, which are the trivial items. But if you really notice, there are few things or very few tasks which can really make a difference to our life. Those are the important things which can really make the major difference, that is the 80% work happen. So if you really have not been doing so, it's time for you to use this system effectively. But first of all, you must understand that how to really utilize this Pareto principle in your life. We will give you 3 important things today, and the 3 keys are like you must have the clarity of your goal. If you are not clear about your goal, if you do not know what you are going to achieve in life, you'll never be able to set a right goal in life, my friend. So first of all, ask a question to yourself: what is the goal I want to achieve in my life, and what will I really do which is going to take closer to my goal? Each and every day I should be doing that goal. And the second thing, once you identify your goal, you should think of increasing your competence, your key competence. Every single day you try to develop your key competence in the single direction, in the single focus. And the third thing, you must understand that how you really can enhance your capacity so that you can understand that what exactly is going to finally help you to fulfill that goal. So my friends, if you really can do these 3 things, these 3 key ingredients can change your goal setting. And the best way to start this Pareto principle is you can take a sheet of paper and write down what are the 10 10 goals of your life which you think is important. Most of the time when I've asked my audience to read out those 10 goals, they have always chosen the first goal which they think is more important, and they have said that the second goal is to just follow that goal. In order to fulfill that, they will give their best. So you will see that the first two goals which you have written in that 10 goals are really important. Follow them till the time you achieve it. So if you really want to make sure that you are going to be successful, follow this 80-20 rule and see what is the difference you get in your life. And next time we will see you when you will really get success. So leave your comments definitely to let me know that how you have been benefited with this 80-20 rule. And if you're really using this 80-20 rule in your life, let me know in your comments that how much you're successful in getting that. Thank you so much. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Watch you back for one more interesting and informative video in this PMA channel. Stay well, stay blessed. Thank you.